Right, good morning, everyone. It's 5:42 a.m. 5:42 a.m. August 18th, 2024, Sunday morning, 5:42 a.m. We are waiting for the mules to come out from 5130 West 24th Street in Laramie, Cicero, Illinois 60804. Order of protection continues. Homeowner Martinez's son, parked right here in front. Daughter-in-law. And homeowner Martinez's wife, family van. And her son, with the black Mustang. Let's go see if we see anything. So that's the order of protection right there. Homeowner Martinez's son, daughter-in-law, and community gang stalking on command signal. Oh, there you go. Homeowner Martinez's son right here. See? That's homeowner Martinez's son. Parked right behind community gang stalking. He turned around with the truck. But yes, this is it right here. That's pretty much it. Community gang stalking. Homeowner Martinez's son parked right here. Homeowner Martinez's son parked right here as well. That's his license plates. Daughter-in-law. That's the license plates. And homeowner Martinez's wife right here. And as you can see, the lights are on. Second floor hideout of organized crime. See, the lights are on. That's where the murder plot is taking place electronically. See, the lights are on? Lights are on. So this is ordered instructions. Oh, look right there. See? See? There is a movement up there. And that's how they alert other community gang stalking from right there from that window. A wave of the hand, signal. And it's taking place right next door. This is 5135. Signed contract with Organized Crime Family. Anthony J. Loader, Avila Greco, Nello Greco. And this is their plates. And that's it. We're standing by and we are waiting to see what else transpires. So far, that's what we are looking at. Again, as you can see, a show of force. Homeowner Martinez, wife, family van, daughter-in-law, and son. And hiding is the black Mustang right there. See the black Mustang right there? Hiding. And of course, the reason for the order of protection is 5130 and 5132. And you notice the white truck that drove very quickly. Well, he was involved in community gang stalking. He turned around in the corner on video, and he was waiting for further instructions on command signal. High-tech surveillance monitor, very aware of my location and activities. As you can see, that's where the murder plot is taking place electronically, and that's where they're living right now. And I knew something was up because I was being harassed with bright light harassment using truck lights. As you can see, I had to cover up the kitchen window. See? I'm cooking, and I had to cover up the kitchen window, bright light harassment using bright truck lights, and the bathroom. So the attack is on early this morning, and the community gang stalking on command signal. You saw the white truck. He is clearly involved with organized crime. So it's 5:49 a.m. Sunday morning. Good morning to all. August 18th, 2024. Organized crime family. Attack electronically, order of protection, confrontation, community gang stalking, bright light harassment using truck lights with the dimmer switch. Murder plot continues. Extreme high level frequency harassment coming from next door, 5135 West 24th Street in Laramie, Cicero, Illinois 60804. Organized crime family, second floor hideout, home base. Daily ordered instructions by Anthony J. Loader, Avila Greco, Nello Greco. Organized crime family is very concerned over the latest video footage of a police officer involved in this type of criminal organization. They were parking in front while filming the little baby ride along. It was clearly organized crime family process plan attacks. Homeowner Martinez was hiding under my window, waiting, standing by. And of course, this police officer is on video and the license plates. He is involved with organized crime family process of enrolling the victims in a mental health facility once they react by covering up the windows. This is the reason for the bright light harassment using truck lights with a dimmer switch. Okay, this is key for enrollment of mental health facility. Unsolved murder cases of identity theft Medicaid victims are preconditioned at home to react. My ex-wife has been preconditioned several times. Town of Cicero Police Department Emergency 911 phone dispatcher named Anna. Joint collaboration with Des Plaines Cook County Sheriff Tom Dart. Unprovoked home visit at 5 a.m. I got a statement from my ex-wife. They wanted to talk to me. No evidence, no paperwork. It was clearly defined. They instructed my ex-wife to please call if Miguel Rodriguez, myself, starts acting in any peculiar way. Please call 911 immediately. This is key for enrollment of a mental health facility. Manipulate businesses, remain in control, silent victims. Organized crime family process. This is how they're able to maintain control and silence their victims. No open cases, no investigation. Constant mental health hospital evaluation, victims lose their credibility. Family, friends, news media withdraw, lose hope. Symptoms, paranoia, hallucinations, psychosis, very concerned with your surroundings, lose weight. There's a number of issues that occur But the final stage is silent incoherent victims from the medication being increased on a daily basis every time the victim reacts to organized crime family process plan attacks. Social acting, community gang stalking, bright light harassment, constantly shocking the victim's brain from any electrical source outlet. This is a high-tech surveillance monitor called Army Apparatus Tracking Signal Scanner Device. Can transmit and transfer electrical current to a victim or patient's brain from any electrical source outlet. Can increase and intensify light harassment. Driving a car and the car in front of you has high beams, it will be turned on electronically magnetic fields, and bright light harassment on and off switch will cause accidents and death. It's an insurance fraud. High-tech surveillance monitor is being used on civilians. Can emulate sounds, voices in any room. And it's can disable the internet connection and shut down my 2 government phones that I no longer have use of. And they can disable the internet connection. Well documented on video. Attacks continue. And, unsolved murder cases of identity theft Medicaid, victims are preconditioned at home to react. And again, these people do not work. They're constantly, homeowner Martinez, wife, family van, daughter-in-law, and son, and the other son parked hidden behind the trees right there. The Ford Mustang. Well, these people don't work. They're constantly under instructions to provoke a confrontation. Order of protection, manipulate my ex-wife to react. My ex-wife did react. She has called 911 several times, and she has she attacked me, and they attacked her electronically. It heightens a victim's emotional disturbance state of mind. In other words, they made her react even more electronically. Okay, we're going to move on, and we are waiting for the mules to start their day, and we are looking at 5130 and 5132. We are totally focused. Good morning to all. Again, it's 5:55 a.m., August 18th, 2024, Sunday. And organized crime family is very desperate, utilizing the other day a Tennessee Cicero Police Department officer as backup. They are showing their aces, and this organized crime family process plan attacks provoke order of protection. Homeowner Martinez hiding under my window. That police officers was called in for reinforcement, and that was their last chance at putting me away or opening up a case. That's what they're trying to do. They're trying to open up a case against me to stop recording and uploading 5130 and 5132. The pressure is on. Organized crime family has moved in to 5132 new tenants, second floor, to avoid the IRS, the Internal Revenue Services, from investigating 5132. Double lot, 2-flat brick. The first floor remains vacant. I guess they have hopes of returning someday, but that's not going to happen until something happens to me. So keep your eyes on me, folks. I am being attacked electronically on a daily basis, day and night, and I am a victim. I have a CT scan of bleeding from my brain by University of Illinois. I had a brain aneurysm, bleeding from my brain. My doctor, Dr. Augustine, instructed me that it's just bleeding, nothing to worry about. That's my brain. Okay, we're going to move on, and we are going to stay focused. this criminal organization will continue to be exposed. And again, homeowner Martinez family van, daughter-in-law, and son, and the other son parked behind the trees waiting for instructions. And the reason for this is, a show of defiance and to provoke a confrontation. Have me come outside, and Thomas Cicero Police Department, Sergeant Porter, badge number 2255, right forearm tattoo, waiting, standing by, set up traps, false police reports, court dates, but more importantly, pre-enrollment mental health hospital begins once the victims react at home. It will be documented, and this is key, once the victim starts reacting by covering up the windows. And the order of protection, as far as manipulating my ex-wife, I am harassing them. Very important steps to stop me from recording 5130 and 5132. Daily drug daily, traffic transactions, distribution and packing, special delivery, white powder bags, known as cocaine. Okay, we are going to move on. This has been an update, and we have on video how organized crime family is getting ready to start their day, and they're ready. This is a pre-planned attack now. These vehicles have been instructed to park the night before. So this is a pre-planned attack. Okay, we're moving on. Good morning to all. Thank you so much for your support.